Okay, so I'm with Richard at the end of his 6-week challenge with us. I just want to get his feedback so you can get a feel for what he's achieved in that time and where he started from. So, Richard, what was your starting point with us?
So I put a lot of weight on over winter. I had a hernia, so I couldn't exercise for the best part of 6 months. So I was pretty unhealthy, heavy, and generally felt pretty low in body confidence, and I wanted to change.
Okay, mate. And what would you say that you've took away the most from the 6 weeks so far?
So I think the biggest thing is understanding the balance between nutrition and exercise. I think I'd understood exercise, but as Nick pointed out early doors, you can't out-train a bad diet. So once I got my head around some proper nutrition and made some proper lifestyle adjustments, things just all fell into place.
Okay. And do you feel that we've given you anything really complicated, and has training been boring at all?
No, group sessions have been really good, really enjoyed the sessions. All the trainers are excellent. Nutrition took a bit of getting your head around to start with, but once I'd understood how to use a set of scales again, it all became quite simple. But you've got to commit to it. If you commit to it, then the results speak for themselves.
Okay, cool. And then how do you feel now is more important, I suppose?
So now I feel a lot more energy, feel a lot fitter. It's been a really good start to getting to where I want to be. I'm not finished yet. It's about kicking on now to the next stage.
Cheers, Richard. Thanks a lot, mate.
Thanks.
Well done.
Cheers.